now going to apply the SEALVER Serum to the hair. When we apply this product, we are doing so as a styling and finishing serum. The benefits of this product is that it's going to add shine and softness to the hair, preventing any further yellowing and changing of the tone, protecting the hair from split ends, and shielding the hair from heat styling. This is a beautiful, soft, moisturizing product.